Please don't forget to follow and like.
America's bird populations are plummeting. What's causing it? The U.S. State of the Birds 2025 report reveals that more than 100 bird species in the United States have lost over half of their populations in the past 50 years. Habitat loss and climate change are the main drivers behind this alarming decline. According to the American Bird Conservancy, about 1 in 3 species now requires urgent conservation attention. Some groups, such as ducks, have even declined by 30% since 2017. Despite the troubling trend, there is still hope. The bald eagle has shown a strong recovery thanks to consistent conservation efforts.